Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Welcome to your English class. I am your teacher Kavita Sharma. So yesterday we were learning about possessive nouns. That possessive noun is a noun that shows ownership, that which thing owns by whom, and the word possession means belongingness. Yesterday we have seen the rule related to singular noun, that when the noun is singular, it is formed by adding apostrophe s to the noun, and we have seen some examples, that doctor's car, the girl's frock, the cow's milk, and the gardener's tools. So now we are going to learn when the noun is plural, so how we are going to form a possessive noun. When the noun is plural and ends in s, it is formed by adding only an apostrophe to the noun. Now here you can see the sign is only apostrophe. You don't have to add apostrophe s. Why? Because there is at the end of the noun there is a s. Now we are going to look at these examples. Boys ends with s, girls ends in s, purses, lives, bags, lions, and parks. Now all these plural nouns ends in s, so we are only going to add apostrophe. Now let's look at some examples. The purses of ladies. Now here we can see these purses belongs to whom? To these ladies. So I'm going to write the ladies apostrophe, not s, only apostrophe, purses. Now let's look at the next example. Poems of the poets. Now here also the poets ends with s, so I'm going to write the poets apostrophe poems. Next, legs of the animals. Now these legs belongs to animals and animals ends in s, so I'm going to write animals apostrophe legs. Next, who is he? Jumping? A child. Yes, a child is jumping. Now next, who all are they? They are children. Okay, children are jumping. So here we can see the child is singular and children are plural. Next. Oh, look at this little buddy. A mouse. Oh, there are many. Mice. So the mouse is singular and mice is plural. Why did we see this? Let's look at it. Okay. When the noun is plural but does not end in s. Oh yes, in our previous examples, we have seen that the mouse is a singular and the mice is plural. But this mice does not end in s. Okay. So, it is formed by adding apostrophe s to the noun. Okay, the possessive noun is going to be formed by adding apostrophe s. Let's look at some examples. Tailor of women. Okay, this word women is a plural. So while forming a possessive noun, I am going to add apostrophe s after a women. The women's tailor. Next, pencils of the children. So how am I going to write? The children is a plural but it does not end in s. And these pencils owned by these children. So I'm going to write the children's pencil. Okay. Now look at this. Child's pencil and children's pencils. Now here we can see for the singular noun also we are using apostrophe s, and for the plural noun also we are using apostrophe s. But why are we using apostrophe s with a plural also? Because these are irregular nouns and these plural nouns does not end with s. So that is why we have added this apostrophe s. Next, mouse apostrophe s, cheese, and mice apostrophe s, cheese. So mouse cheese and mice cheese. So that way we have added apostrophe s. Let's quickly revise the rules which we have learned to how to form a possessive noun. When the noun is singular, it is formed by adding apostrophe s. And next, when the noun is plural and ends in s, it is formed by adding an apostrophe, only apostrophe. And next, when the noun is plural but does not ends in s, it is formed by adding apostrophe s to the noun. So today's homework is these all exercises are related to plural nouns. You have to keep in mind while doing it that you have to check whether these nouns ends in s or not. So if this birds ends in s, so you only have to add apostrophe, and then later on you will see the plural nouns which does not ends in s, you have to write apostrophe s. Do your homework. Take your good care. We will be meeting in our next class soon. Thank you.